Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our spirituality related question is, why do we tend to dominate others? Generally we find people trying to dominate others. They don't treat others equally. But the existence has created all the beings in a unique way. All the human beings are unique. Not only human beings, but the whole nature, even the trees are unique in their nature. Nature never copies anything, it always produces original things. Nature never repeats anything. So we are all created in the unique sense. In a unique way, we are created. We are trying to compare with others. So comparison is born out of spiritual darkness. Domination or trying to dominate others is born out of self pity. We are not aware of ourselves. Sometimes we think that we are higher to somebody. Sometimes we think that we are lower to somebody. It is human nature. For this, we are to be aware of our own thoughts. Then we will be able to treat others equally. This is a spiritual fact. This can be done very easily. The aim of spirituality is to understand the underlying principle that goes inside all the beings. In spirituality, we don't differentiate between the beings. If we try to compare, we may tend to be violent. We will be with all the negative qualities. Then, how to be free from all these negative characteristics? For that, we have to know, who am I? This is a fundamental question of spiritual life. Every aspirant must be involved with this question, who am I? If we are very sincere, we will be able to know the core of ourselves. We see in daily life we are faced with lots of problems. We think that the problems are coming from outside, but it is springing from our own self. Self is the culprit of creating all the problems. If we understand this fact, then we will be able to be free from all those negative aspects of life. Even anger, or if you are violent, this will be applicable to all the negative aspects of life. We will be free. By observing our own thought process, we will be able to go beyond all the negative aspects like self-pity. Self-pity or feeling self-pity is not good for anybody. If you feel like that, we will not be able to be creative. Spirituality is for observing our own thoughts. That is what real meditation is. So if you are interested, you will be able to go beyond dominating others. All these things are created by our own thoughts. Thoughts always try to divert ourselves from facing life. The central point is to understand our own thoughts only. Understanding our thought process is what meditation is. So when we fully understand our thoughts, we will be able to free from dominating others. Where to stop our thoughts, where to apply our thoughts. This is what meditation is. So if we are aware, we will be able to do this. Dominating others is not good for spirituality. What is life? Life is relationship in action. So relationships are to be maintain in a best way. To maintain the relationships, we must not dominate others. We must give equal opportunity to everybody. If one is interested, it can be done very easily. Spirituality stands for all goodness in life. So we can attain to that kind of maturity if we observe our own thoughts. It is a very simple process. Anybody can do this. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.